Get ready to meet the beast that refuses to blend in the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X. This is not just a vehicle, it's a bold statement on four wheels, sculpted to conquer the wild yet refined enough to turn heads on city streets. With its iconic, boxy design, aggressive front grille, and high-clearance fender flares, the Rubicon X oozes off-road charisma while showing off just enough polish to make it a luxury contender. The available steel bumper group and body color hardtop add a rugged elegance that screams adventure-ready without compromising on style. And those 33-inch all-terrain tires? They're not just for show, they're built to chew up trails and dominate rough terrain. Beneath that muscular hood lies a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivering 270 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising down the highway. You also get the option of a 3.6-liter V6 if you're craving a classic powertrain with A-Torque mild hybrid assist, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. Jeep's legendary 4x4 systems RockTrack and Command Track give the Rubicon X insane grip and control, making even the toughest off-road challenges feel like a joyride. And with a full-time transfer case, Dana 44 heavy-duty axles, and an electronic sway bar disconnect, you're set for the most extreme trails imaginable. Inside, the Rubicon X blends trail toughness with premium comfort. You're greeted by supple leather-trimmed seats, red accent stitching, and an elevated driving position that makes you feel in command from the moment you step in. Dual-zone climate control, a heated steering wheel, and heated front seats make every ride cozy whether you're braving icy mornings or mountain passes. It's not just about comfort though. The technology package is seriously impressive. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen sits at the center of the dash, loaded with Uconnect 5, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a customizable off-road pages interface. Plus, with the available Alpine Premium audio system, every playlist sounds like a live concert. What truly sets the 2025 Rubicon X apart is how it marries rugged capability with upscale features. It's luxurious without being delicate, powerful without feeling unrefined, and smart without losing its soul. Whether you're tackling Moab trails or rolling into your favorite coffee spot, this Wrangler makes every journey feel like an adventure. Bold, tech-savvy, and unapologetically fun, the Rubicon X isn't just ready for the road ahead, it is the road ahead.